Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
I'm David.
And I'm Alice.
Today, we will learn something very important.
Yes, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English.
Simple, easy, and useful.
You can use this in school, work, or when you meet new people.
And don't worry,
We will speak slowly and clearly.
if you enjoy learning with us.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, let's start.
David, imagine we meet for the first time.
Okay,
I will introduce myself. Hi, my name is Alice.
nice. Very simple. David. Hi, my name is David.
Good. Let's repeat together.
David. Hi, my name is.
Alice. Hi, my name is.
First step, say your name.
Yes, very easy.
You can say, my name is David.
Alice. I am Alice.
Both are correct.
Let's repeat.
Both. My name is. I am. Now it's your turn.
Say your name out loud.
David. My name is.
Good. One more time.
David. I am.
Nice. Now let's say where you are from.
Yes, this is very common. David. I am from New York.
Alice. I live in London.
Good.
Repeat with us.
David. I am from, or I live in. David. Alice, what if I say, I am from the moon?
Then I say, wow, nice to meet you, astronaut.
Okay, maybe not the moon.
Yes, say a real place.
Next, talk about your job or study.
Keep it simple. Alice, I am a student.
David. I am a teacher.
Repeat with us.
David. I am a student. Or, I am a. Now, think.
Alice, are you a student or do you work?
Say it. David. I am a.
Good. Speak loudly. Now let's add something fun.
Yes, talk about what you like.
Alice, I like music.
David. I like football.
Simple and nice. Now let's make a full introduction.
Listen carefully. David. Hi, my name is David. I am from New York. I am a teacher. I like reading.
Very good. Now mine. Alice, hi, I am Alice. I am from the UK. I am a student. I like music.
Now, you try.
Alice, pause the video and speak.
David. Say, hi, my name is. I am from. I am a. I like.
Great job today.
David. You learned how to introduce yourself in English.
Keep practicing every day.
And tell us in the comments, what is your name and where are you from?
Alice, we want to read your introduction.
David. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.